Model, 69-plate Peugeot Boxer L3 2.2 BlueHDi Professional Euro 6 spares OR repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 88,398. MOT, 13 December 2023. Engine, 2179 cc/dw12 BlueHDi 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine has seized, engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is in very good condition. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is very clean. Well looked after van. Bargain. Features: 1 former keeper, air con, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,850. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.